we have given that 0.25 power x is equal to 16. Then we have to find the value of x. So 0.25 it is equal to 1 by 4 and it is equal to 1 by 4 is 2 power 2 and 16 is equal to 2 power 4. So 0.25 is 1 by 2 power 2. Power x is equal to 16 is 2 power 4. And 1 by x power a is equal to x power minus a. So 1 by 2 power 2 will be 2 power minus 2. Power x is equal to 2 power 4. And x power a 1 power b is equal to x power a times b. So it will be 2 power minus 2 times x will be minus 2x, that is equal to 2 power 4. And if x power a is equal to x power b, then a is equal to b. If x not equal to minus 1, 0 and 1. So here minus 2x will be equal to 4, minus 2x will be equal to 4. So x will be equal to 4 by minus 2, that is minus 2. X is minus 2.